Hey, hey, subscribe to this channel and get all kinds of interesting recipes. Like today's recipe. I took potato pancakes. I added sweet potato to make them sweet potato pancakes. Isn't that great? I'll give you one better. I made them vegan. You got vegan sweet potato pancakes today. What a great recipe. Kind of healthy. I still pan fried them because it's just so good pan fried. So, you got to deal with the oil. But vegan. So, let's get cooking. But first, don't forget about my Shopify store. I got t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, everything you can imagine. Check it out. Hey, I left a link in the first comment. How convenient is that? And now, back to the show. Hey, so even though it's a sweet potato pancake, we need to use some potato. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cup of potato, a cup of sweet potato. Hey, here's a little secret ingredient. I'm going to use about a half a cup of grated apple. Woo! That's going to be a great flavor booster. Apple's wonderful. I wash these potatoes really well because I don't want to peel them. Most of the vitamins and nutrients in the potato is just under the skin. When you peel the skin away, you peel away a lot of nutrients. So, I'm not going to peel. I just washed it well. I want to grate 1 cup of potato. Okay, so I'm using which is a box grater. I'm using the fine side. You see, I'm getting very fine potato. That's kind of important. Check that out. That's 1 cup of finely grated sweet potato. I'm going to put it in some water, just so it doesn't change colors on me. Very nice. Now I'm going to grate 1 cup of regular baking potato. Idaho, baby. Hey, I like to use the Idaho potato. It's got a lot of starch. I want that starch. Very nice Idaho potato. Hey, you can also use a russet potato. Same difference. Okay. One cup of Idaho potato, grated fine. Put that in the water too. Okay, baking powder, half a teaspoon. Half teaspoon salt. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of flour. I want to take this mixture of sweet potato and regular potato and squeeze out the water that's in it and add it to the flour mixture. Squeeze it out good, really good. Look how dry this is. Okay, nice and dry. Beautiful. All right, then I want to transfer it to a bigger bowl. I'm going to take this apple. It's a Fuji apple. It's a nice apple. I'm going to grate it on the small grater again. That's going to give me about a half a cup of apple. Hey, wash your hands before you do this, but you can mix this all together. And the liquid in the apple will kind of help this to bind a little bit. Give it a good squeeze like that. Okay, it's all bound together. Check that out. I told you I have a secret ingredient. No, it's not chickpeas. I'm going to use a liquid in here called Aquafaba. It's going to bind this like egg whites. But it's not egg whites. It's chickpeas. Check this out. And that's what it looks like. Aquafaba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tablespoons. I still have the chickpeas in the can. I'll use them for something else. Maybe I'll make hummus. That's for later on. I got some chips in the garage. I'll break out and eat some hummus and chips. Fantastic! But not now. Now it's potato pancakes. I just mix this up a little bit. It looks good. And I'm going to use a tablespoon to shape it. I have about 1/4 of an inch of oil in this pan, nice and hot. I have a plate covered in paper towel on the side. Hey, just take a little drop of water on your finger. Did you hear that? That oil's hot enough. Okay, so I take like a spoonful. I kind of mold it to the spoon. So it's going to be kind of oval. And a nice amount of potato. I drop it right in the hot fat. Oh, look at that. Sizzling away. Hey, check this out. Carefully turn them over. Nice color. Beautiful. Hey, it's going to take about 5 minutes each side. But it's more or less a color thing. Like when the color is really nice and nicely brown, turn it. And then when the other side is nicely brown, you're done. But depends. It depends on the heat of your pan. It depends on how big your pan is. It depends on how cold you make it. It depends on so many things. So it's hard to say exactly. Do it by color. It should be nicely brown and the heat should be medium. And you'll be fine. Check those out. Look at that color. That's fantastic. Hey, you can have these with sour cream. You can have these with applesauce. Wonderful. You know what? I have another pancake. Oatmeal pancake. More of a breakfast idea. It's a wonderful video. You should check it out. And I'll see you there. Woo! These are delicious. Hey, vegan, baby. Vegan. Made with Aquafaba. That's chickpea water. Fantastic.